Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 6. I'm feeling a little tired, I have to say. Went to bed a little late last night and yeah, although I did have a really good sleep, it was just not long enough. But today's another work day. I have to go upstairs and log on in a few minutes, so let's get our Advent calendar done and see what else I have in store for today. So Beyond the Pink Door is going to be a virtual gift today, which I will go and have a look at after I finish filming this, and I will report back. Oh yeah, destroying the Christmas decorations. All right, number 6 on our Prim calendar. There we are. I have no idea what this is. Do you guys know what this is? Oh, it's got a blade. It's like a mini rotary cutter. Oh, that's cool. I don't know, it feels dangerous. Alright, I'm going to throw that in my little sewing kit. Okay, so today, yeah, I'm really hoping to continue with my closet clear out. I think today we're going to do blouses. I don't have a ton of those. Yeah. Anyways, we will see. Hopefully, I have a lot of meetings today. Like, I'm going to be in back-to-back meetings from 8 o'clock this morning till pretty much the end of the day, but I'll see if I can get a break in there somewhere and come down here and do the closet clear out video. Also, I have figured out last night how to transfer the files from my camera to my computer really quickly, so that's amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go upstairs now, log on, get the day started, and I will see you later. Hi, so it is the end of the day. I just logged off of work, and I thought I'd come down and do some more closet clearing out because the capsule guide is coming out tomorrow, and I want to have a clean closet before I start making decisions as to what my capsule is going to look like for winter. So what I've done, instead of doing all of that with you, is I've already taken out the tops, because we're going to do tops right now. I've taken all of the tops that belong in my summer wardrobe, and I've taken them out and moved them out of my winter stuff. Most of them have either very florally or very summery type fabrics, like a lawn, or very floral and pale colors, which I personally probably would not wear in the winter, not even with a cardigan on top. So some of the stuff I'm going to show you do have short sleeves, but because of the colors and the prints, I'd be okay wearing them in winter. So anywho, let's get started. Again, I'm not going to try these on for you, but I will insert pictures when I have them to give you an idea of what these things look like on. So this is an Ashton top that I made years ago now. This was my very first Ashton. It's in a viscose or rayon twill. It's this really fun black and white. It's almost an animal print, but not really. I mean, I made this before I had a serger, so I zigzagged the seams, and they are starting to fray a little bit. However, the fabric is still in good condition. It fits me, and I absolutely love this top with like a black cardigan or under my red Harper looks amazing. So this is definitely staying, and I think I need to make another one of these. So staying. This is an Itch to Stitch Seychelles top. That's a little wrinkly because obviously it's been in my closet. This is a viscose that I got from Beyond the Pink Door. It has really nice lace detail at the bottom of the sleeve and at the hem. Although this is a floral and pretty light fabric, I do wear this in the winter. I just wear a cardigan, like a navy or white cardigan on top. The only issue with this is it's a little snug around the hips because it fits fine up here, but I didn't grade out to a size 20 at the bottom like I usually do for some reason. So it's a little bit snug and not that comfortable, and it doesn't look great with the lace being a little tight. So I think this one I think is gonna go. Yes, I am not keeping anything that doesn't fit my body today. I have to keep reminding myself of that. So this one's gonna go in the donate pile. Next is a Rhapsody blouse in a rayon twill from Core Fabrics. This is one of the first Rhapsody I made. I love this top, but the fabric has seen better days. It's really, I mean, I think this was Tencel Twill. I found that Tencel Twill tends to, what's the word? It just feels like it frays or it gets used, like the fibers just disintegrate a lot faster than anything else. And yeah, it's not looking very polished, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to find fabric similar to this because I absolutely love this top. The fit is still good, it's just not polished. So this is gonna have to, I don't know that I would even donate this, but it has to get out of my closet. Same thing for this Seychelles top in a cute polka dot fabric I got from Rainbow Fabrics a couple years ago now. I have worn this thing to death in the summer, in the winter. I mean, I love this, but the fabric is not in great condition anymore. So it's gonna have to go, but I'm gonna need to replace and get myself a polka dot top, definitely. Another Rhapsody blouse. I think this was the very first one I made, actually. And I love this one. It still looks really good. And although it's got elbow length sleeves, I can fit a relaxed cardigan on top or a jacket. And the colors, I think, are fine for winter. This one I'm definitely keeping. I love this one. Rhapsody blouse in a rayon from one of the Think Pink boxes from last year. I like this one. It's probably the one I wear the least because I messed up the collar. And I don't know what happened, but the neck is crazy wide on this. And I don't love how it fits me. So I think this one's going to have to go too, because if it's not a heck yeah, it's a no, right? Yes, I'll put it on the donate pile, but I'm not going to donate anything just yet. And I'll see how I feel about this one in a few days. A Melody Dolman in a cotton lawn, and I kept this one because the background in the fabric is black, and if I wear like a black cardigan on top, I think I can get away with it in the winter. I do really, really like this blouse. I love the fit of it. It's very comfortable. So this one's gonna stay. Patina blouse in a really fun crepe fabric, black and white. The fit is not 100% on this one. This was almost like my wearable toile. The shoulders are a tiny bit wide, but it's such a fun print or busy print, you really can't tell. And I love this one with, again, a black cardi, but I could also wear this under my red Harper cardigan. And I think it looks polished, it's understated because it's black and white, and it's fun. So I'm keeping this one. And then the last one, wow, this went really quickly, is my latest Think Pink make. This is the Vernon shirt by Cashmerette in a beautiful rayon fabric. This I'm definitely keeping. I'm absolutely in love with this shirt. The fit is spot on. The fabric is fun. It looks polished. It's not the most understated item in my wardrobe, but the colors are not crazy bright. So I think it's understated enough. So this is definitely staying. So I'm left with 5 tops / blouses. I'm seeing a lot of black. I'm seeing a lot of pink in here. So I'm thinking I'm going to need to start branching out a little bit. But I'm very, very pleased that these 5 items I absolutely love, fit me well, are polished, and fun. So they fit my style. And that is it for sweaters, cardigans, and tops. So maybe tomorrow or maybe Friday, we're going to do bottoms and then we'll be done. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. So it is later in the evening. We've had dinner. I've cleaned up the house or the kitchen. And I came down here to finish hubby's Christmas present, or one of his presents. So here you go. So this is a bit of an inside joke, in that he says, you know, because he's the daddy and the grandfather, he's always right. So yeah, I used heat transfer vinyl. This is the shirt, is the Rocky Mountain raglan sleeve by Peekaboo Patterns, I believe. I've made him this pattern so many times. I love how it fits him. It's the perfect length for him. And yeah, he's always very, very happy. And I put, I don't know if you're going to be able to read this, a little Kylie and the Machine label that I got in the advent calendar last year. So I'm super pleased with hubby's new shirt. So this can now get wrapped up and given to him Christmas morning. I think I'm going to call it a day for today's Vlogmas video. I'm a little bit tired and I think it's going to be an early night. Now, tomorrow I'm in the office, like physically in the office for work, and I don't know how much time I'm going to get to film, because I typically get home a lot later, obviously, because the commute is a lot longer. But if I am able to film, then great. I'm going to do a video for tomorrow. If I'm not able to film all that much, and all that I have left basically is just the opening of the advent calendars, what I might do is do days 7 and 8 together. So you're not going to get a video tomorrow, but you're going to get one for both days the following day. I hope that makes sense. So, oh gosh, now both cats are chasing each other. So I'm gonna bid you good night, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow, if not the day after. Bye.